Python lists. Here we have a variable students representing more than one item. We have Mario, Luigi, Princess, and Toad. To make this into a list, we use this notation square bracket, signifying the beginning of the list, and end square bracket, signifying the end. Make sure you don't use rounded brackets. Each item in this list is a string or text surrounded by double quotes. We have Mario, Luigi, Princess, and Toad, and each item in the list is separated by a comma. So here I'm going to print out an item, the first item of the list. Print students 0. Now this will print out Mario. Remember that the first item in the list has an index of 0, not 1. So this is index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. So print student 0, let me save this and run it. So the run is F5. It says Mario. Now what if I were to print students 2, 0, 1, 2? We expect it to print Princess. So let's run it now, and it says Princess. What if I were to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 should be out of bounds. So let me run it now. It should give me an error. Index out of range error. Okay, so make sure that we are within the bounds. The bounds happens to be index 0, 1, 2, 3, or the length of the list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. The length is 4 minus 1. So the length 4 minus 1 would be the highest index, which is 3. So let me try that. So I'm going to print something here. I'll try the length of students. And the length of students would be 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4 items. So this should print out. Let me run this. 4. So the length of the actual list is what you would expect, 4 items. However, when it comes to the last element of the actual list, we have the length of students minus 1 being the last element of the actual list. Let's try something new. Let's try numbers. Numbers is equals to 10, 20, 30. So here we're dealing with lists. It doesn't have to be a string or text. It can also be a bunch of numbers, or later on in more advanced coding, even a list of objects. But let's focus on the actual numbers. So let's try the numbers code here. Let me try print numbers. Let's try numbers 2. Now once again, we're talking about actual array index 2. So this is 0, 1, 2. So that we'd expect it to print out 30. So let's save it and let's run it. And it prints out 30. Congratulations, you now have a little bit more understanding about Python lists.